Hi viewers, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the amazing health advantages of gardening. From physical health to mental refreshing landscaping, provide an integrated approach for enhancing your overall health. Therefore, gather your shovels and let's delve deeper into how this green thumb hobby can improve your health. Engaging in gardening activities provides an excellent workout for your body, from digging and weeding to planting and harvesting. These physical movements help improve strength, flexibility, and endurance. Gardening involves a range of activities that target various muscle groups, keeping you active and promoting overall physical fitness. It's a great way to burn calories and stay fit without even realizing you are exercising. Get away from the routine of daily life and find comfort in your garden. It has been shown that gardening reduces tension and encourages relaxation. The mind becomes relaxed by the tranquility of nature, the feel of soil, and the sight of vibrant flowers. Interaction with nature reduces cortisol level and boosts production of serotonin, resulting in enhanced mood and less anxiety. Gardening is an excellent way for people to relax and discover your own inner peace. Gardening is not only a physical exercise, it also stimulates the intellect. Planning your garden layout, selecting the right plants, and taking care of gardening issues all require skill in problem solving and creative thinking. Further, growing and caring of plants gives a sense of purpose and success, which improves confidence and mental health. Gardening promotes awareness by allowing you to stay in moment and create a sense of meditation. Sunshine provides vitamin D. Vitamin D supports bone health, immunity and mood. Gardening regularly gives you vitamin D, strengthening your body. Fresh air and soil microbes boost your immune system, lowering allergies and respiratory problems. What could be better than growing your own fresh fruits and vegetables? When you garden, you can grow your own fruits, vegetables, and herbs, which give you a healthy, organic food source. Home ground food is full of vitamins, minerals, and enzymes, all of which are good for healthy diet and your health as a whole. Using ingredients you grew yourself in your meals help you eat healthier and makes you value a food you eat more. So there you go, guys. Gardening not only makes your surrounding look nicer, but it also has a lot of health benefits. Gardening is a natural treatment that help both the body and mind. It can be used to get in shape and refresh the mind. So get your planting tools and start making your own green paradise. If you like this video, make sure to give it thumbs up and share it with other gardeners. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you can watch more exciting videos like this in future. Thank you for watching.